Hello everyone, welcome back to GIS and Remote Sensing Education channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to download shapefiles from diva-gis freely. So let's dive right in. Open your browser and search for diva-gis website and enter to the website. Now we can download various spatial data from this website for free. Now we are going to download country level data. Click on country level data. Select your desired country. In my case, I am selecting Bangladesh and the administrative area. You can also find other data too. Just change the subject field, click OK and download. The data is in zip format and you need to unzip it. Now open arcgis and check the data. Add the data from where you downloaded and unzipped. Just click add. Now you are able to do any spatial analysis with this dataset. Thank you.